So-called low-threshold loans can seem easy. They give short-term relief but long-term stress, and you end up paying a lot more than the item is worth.
Please take a moment to find out about the hidden catches and to explore what other options may be available.
Charlie was feeling stressed in work and life and needed some relief. He decided a new mountain bike was just what he needed to get away from it all, but he had no savings. The local bike shop offered Afterpay, so Charlie could get what he wanted now and pay later.
Unfortunately, Charlie wasn't quite able to pay back the installments in time, and the late fees hit his wallet hard.
On the track, Charlie met his friend who was showing off her new bike. She was stoked to be trying out her new ride, as she had just paid it off using lay-by. They swapped stories about the price of their bikes. Charlie realised he was in a porous situation. He had already paid more than his friend had and was still paying off the late fees.
Finn had an overdue phone bill and power bill, and she desperately wanted to eat something other than noodles for the next few days. A payday loan seemed the best option. She didn't need a credit check, and she could get the money into her bank account the same day. Finn paid her phone bill, stopped her power from being disconnected, and stocked up her pantry.
She had every intention to pay back the loan as soon as her next paycheck came in, but unexpected car troubles meant she couldn't pay the whole amount back. The punishing late fees, plus the high establishment fees of the payday loan, meant Finn was a lot worse off.
Finn confided in a friend about her financial problems. He explained he was able to get a payment extension from the power company by calling them up and claiming financial difficulties. He was also able to get a Centrelink advance, which helped in a rough spot.
Robin moved into a new home and very quickly realised he had no fridge to place his celebratory ice cream cake in. As he had spent all his savings on bond, the easiest option seemed to be a rent-to-own fridge. And while he was at it, maybe a new rental flat-screen TV as well.
Only after talking to his friend, who recently bought a similar fridge, did Robin start to calculate the money he was spending on his locked-in contract for the appliances. His friend utilised the no-interest loan scheme to purchase the fridge and was paying a much lower sum than Robin for the same product.
The strain from finances can drive you to escape into the very thing that adds to your long-term stress. It's a roundabout that feels endless, but you can step off it.
If you didn't make the right choice, reach out to a financial counsellor from the National Debt Helpline. We'll help you to clarify your financial situation and explore all of the available options.